You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. Italian-American chef. If you want to learn more chef names, more names from Italian cuisine, stay tuned, I've got videos for you. She pronounces it as Giada. Giada. In Italian it should really be Giada, but it's similar. Giada De Laurentiis. Giada De Laurentiis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.